Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could unlock the perfect cup of coffee every time, without requiring extensive barista skills? Introducing the 51mm Espresso Tamper from Bamanoir, a game-changing tool that's about to revolutionize your daily coffee routine. This premium tamper is crafted from aluminum alloy and 316 stainless steel, featuring a built-in copper spring, which gives it a sturdy and durable feel, embodying the sleek black knight aesthetic. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional performance and versatility. The Bamanoir 51mm Espresso Tamper excels in structural, operational, and performance stability compared to standard tampers, making it a better choice for baristas and enthusiasts seeking high-quality coffee production. One of the key benefits is its adjustable force, ranging from 25 to 30 pounds, allowing for effortless handling of different types of coffee grounds. You'll appreciate the sound feedback it provides, ensuring you achieve the perfect compaction every time. The texture of the tamper is smooth to the touch, and its built-in copper spring provides a satisfying click when you reach the optimal force. In real-life use, this tamper has proven to be a reliable companion, providing consistent results and reducing the instability and inefficiency of traditional tampers. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a professional barista, this tool will help you unlock the full potential of your coffee beans. With its superior quality and sleek design, the 51mm Espresso Tamper is an excellent addition to any coffee setup. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game, consider giving this exceptional tamper a try, and discover a world of rich flavors and perfect cups. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.